Okay, today we want to test the Creality V3 SE because this is the cheapest printer that you can get in the market right now from Creality. Okay, basically this video we want to show you how to tune to run PLA, PETG and ABS Plus on this machine. Okay, we'll run some test print for these three different filaments from our own chosen factory, and then you can buy the filament from our shop as well. Then after we test all the three filaments on this printer already, then we will sell this printer out, because in our print farm we actually not using Creality printers because we have a lot of customers are using Creality V3 SE, and they keep asking us what is the tuning parameters for our filaments. I want to say, because for most of the PLA PETG, the settings should be the same unless they are special PLA or PETG. Means that there is a remarks after the PLA, like PLA Plus, PLA Pro, or PLA whatever. Same goes to the PETG, because they have some modify on the formula of the filaments, which is not the pure filament anymore. So the tuning parameter should have some difference, but for our filaments we are actually using the generic Creality PLA PETG settings. Maybe we're doing some temperature settings according to the models that we want to print, and then the speed on the Orca slicer, because in the Orca slicer there is no printing profile, so we will also show the printing profile in the video. Okay, let's get started. Looks good. By some stringing, because this filament already packing here for like 2 months without drying, but still looks good here. Okay, this is the first time we change to the PEI plate, because I need the PEI texture on the bottom to see whether the first layer is good or not. Okay, also we can compare to the A1 series here. So this one need to run about 3 hours. Later we check it back to see how it's go. Okay, the printing is done. Let's see. Okay, now we test print PLA 4 pieces in one shot. Okay, this is the temperature that we print. We set the far, we slice using the Orca slicer here. Looks great. Okay, the job is done. Let's see. Okay, the quality looks good here. Some Z bending, because this is the cheapest machine from Creality. For this kind of Z bending, I think is acceptable. Got some first layer issue here. Same, but it stick well. The inside looks good. Okay, now we print another one, which is the overhang test for the vent hole that we usually do for all our printers to know the capability of overhangs. Looks good here right now. Let's see how it goes when it's finished. Okay, let's open it. The first layer looks good here. But the overhang looks good. For the price, the overhang looks good. Right now, we need to test the PETG. Right? Let's test. Okay, now we're testing printing PETG. This is the temperature. Nozzle 250, bed 70. For the first layer, it looks okay. Don't have big gaps. Okay. Let's see how it goes later. So far, it looks good here. No warping. Print looks good. Print looks good. Okay, the print is done. The quality looks good. No warping. Okay. Let's see. Still hot. Okay. Okay, let's see the surface. Looks good, the surface. And it's flat. But there's some flow issue here. Maybe we need to run the pressure advance and the flow test. But overall, it's good. Okay, right now we are printing ABS Plus using the PLA settings. Just change the bed temperature to 60, nozzle temperature to 260, and then this is how it performs right now. Looks good. Later we come back when it finish. Okay, ABS Plus. Looks good right now. Okay, the job is done. ABS Plus. Looks good. No warping here. Okay, ABS Plus. Let's see. Oh. Okay, the first surface looks good. Side also looks good. Flat.